Hello everyone, welcome you all for today's class. Today we are going to see the unitary method. So today we are going to discuss both the things, that is direct variation and also indirect variation. In direct variation we are going to see three problems. In indirect variation we are going to see three problems. So let us start with the direct variation. What do you mean by direct variation? See, the increase in one quantity causes the increase in other quantity, or else decrease in other quantity causes the decrease in other quantity. So this is nothing but direct variation. So let us see for examples. Okay, few examples. Number one, let us see with respect to distance and time concept. Okay, then see, if distance increases, automatically time taken to reach the distance will also increases, right? Number two, so with respect of purchase and spending, let us see with respect to purchase and spending. Okay, if you have more money, automatically your spendings will be more. Okay, if you purchase on some products for a family during the festival time increases, and automatically the spending limits also increases. So let us see one more example with respect to work time. Okay, work time and earnings. So here this concept is also important. See, if the number of hours is less, okay, if the number of hours working is less, automatically we can, that is, the pay earned will be also less. So similarly here, what do you mean by direct variation? If it is decreases and also other quantity decreases, if one quantity increases, other quantity increases. So like that. Okay, so this is nothing but a direct and variation. Okay, so let us solve few examples so that we can able to clear with the concepts of direct variation. So we are going to solve this by traditional method and also by the procedure. Okay, so first question, the man earns rupees 400 in 10 days. How much will he earn in 28 days? It's a simple concept, right? We will solve in two methods. Okay, for example, in a procedure method, in 10 days, okay, the man earns, so that is given, right? The man earns rupees 400. We have to calculate a one day earnings. Okay, in one day, automatically you will earn, see, we have to find out the one day means we have to divide, okay, 400 by 10 days. So automatically, therefore he earns rupees 40. Okay, so here we have to identify in 28 days, right? In 28 days we will earn, so here we have to multiply with the one day earning, therefore 28 into 40. So automatically we have to multiply this. Okay, so 28 into 4 are 28 into 4 are is nothing but 1112. Okay, here 0, therefore I am adding 0 here. Therefore he earns rupees 1120 in 28 days. Okay, so I am going to solve it in alternate method without using any formula. So that is nothing but Harrow method. So this method is very useful for solving the questions related to competitive exams. See, here I am writing the number of days. Okay, in other side I am writing the earnings. Okay, so first of all we have to identify whether it is the direct variation or indirect variation. See, in 10 days he is earning rupees 400. Okay, in how much will he earn in 28 days? In 28 days, how much? So that is x. Okay, see here the day is increasing, right? The days is increasing. Okay, here it is increasing. Automatically his earnings will also increase, right? So therefore its earnings also increase. So here one quantity increases, automatically other quantity increases. Therefore, this is the direct variation method. So in direct variation method, kindly remember this one in a arrow mark. So this is nothing but head. Okay. So remember this. This is nothing but head. So without any indication. So this is nothing but tail. Okay. Remember this simple concept. What is the formula here? It is not a formula. It's a technique. Okay. Always write the value on the head of one arrow divided by value of the tail. Okay. I'm going to write here the value of the head. Okay. It is increases, right? Therefore 10 by 28. So which is equal to 400 divided by x. So here we have to identify the x, right? Therefore x is equal to cross multiply. Okay, x is equal to 400 into 28 by 10. So therefore we can cancel 0 0. Therefore 40 into 28 automatically 1120 rupees. So this is the simplest way. Without using any formula, we can use this technique. Okay, this will help you to solve the questions within few minutes. Okay, the simple concept, one has to know whether it is the direct variation or indirect variation. So this question is direct variation. So this is the formula here, or else simply cross multiply this 10 into x and 400 into 28. Okay, that is nothing but a Harrow method. Okay, let us move on with the question number. Okay, so here question number 2. 0.75 meter clothes cost is rupees 45. What will be the cost of 0.6 meter of same cloth? See here you have to identify. See, I am going to use a arrow method. So that is very simple method, right? I'm going to use a simple method for the competitive exams. So we have to solve this within a few minutes. So I am going to write. Okay. So here I'm going to write 0.7 meter cloth cost is rupees 45. What will be the cost of 0.6 meter of same cloth? Okay. So kindly here mark it as a cloth. Okay, cloth in meter. Okay, and the other side the cost in rupees, right? Cost in rupees. Okay, see for 0.7 meter the cost is rupees 45. So what will be the cost? Okay, that is x. This thing we have to identify for 0.6 meter. Okay, see 0.7 meter is 45. What will be the 0.6? Here it is reduces, right? It is reduces. Automatically cost will get reduced. Therefore, decreasing. Here also decrease. Okay, so that is a direct variation method. Or else simply cross multiply this. Okay, this two. So this will be the answer. Or else the arrow head divided by the tile, which is equal to, here it is x, right? Divided by tile. Simply cross multiply. Therefore 0.75x is equal to 0.6 into 45. Therefore automatically x is equal to 0.6 by 0.75 into 45. Okay, if 1 point means multiply by 10. Okay, 2 point means multiply by 100. Therefore 60 by 75 into 45. Okay, then while cancelling this we are getting, okay, rupees 36 will be the answer for this one. Okay, rupees 36. Okay, so we can eliminate by using the 5 table. Okay, and then this is also, therefore we will get it as 36. Okay, so try to eliminate as much as possible. Okay, simplify it. So let us move on with another question. So here I am going to tell in other method. Okay, so that so let us see other method. Okay, the other method is, so this method is very easy. This arrow method is very easy. So we are solving its another method. Okay, another method, simple method. The cost of 0.75 meter cloth is equal to 45, right? Rupees 45. So we have to identify the cost of 1 meter cloth. Okay, 1 meter is nothing but 45 by 0.75. Obviously this is nothing but rupees 60. Okay, so and then we can easily identify the cost of 0.6 meter cloth. Okay, 1 meter, no, therefore we can multiply 0.6 into 60. So automatically, okay, so this is equal to 6 by 10 into 60. So we can cancel it. 6 into 6 are therefore rupees 36. So this is also one of the method to solve this kind of problems. Okay, let us move on with another problem. Okay, see question number 3. A watch gains 42 seconds in 3 days and 8 hours. How long will it take to gain 2 minutes 6 seconds? Okay, so here let us solve. Okay, the watch gains 42 seconds in 3 days and 8 hours. How long it will take to gain 2 minutes and 6 seconds? See, it's a simple concept, right? Simply we are going to use the arrow method. Okay, in an arrow method, okay, simply write gain in times in one side and hours in other side. Okay, I'm going to use the arrow method. Okay, the gain in time, okay, the gain in time and hours. Okay, see, in 3 days and 80 hours. See, 3 days means per day 24 hours, 3 days, therefore 24 into 3 plus 8. Okay, so automatically 72, right? 72 plus 8 is nothing but 80 hours. Okay, here 80 hours. In 80 hours it gains 42. Okay, how long it will take? Okay, how long it will take? Therefore here x, how long it will take to gain 2 minutes 6 seconds. Convert it into seconds. Okay, for a minute 60 seconds, 2 minutes 120 seconds, 120 plus 6, 126 seconds. Okay, 126 seconds. So here given us a minute, we have to convert into a seconds. Okay, convert into the same units. That is very important. See here, one has to note that here the gain in time increases, right? Automatically the hour increase. Therefore here increase, here increase. Therefore this is nothing but a direct variation method. Okay, the simple concept, cross multiply. Therefore 42x is equal to 126. Here cross multiply. Okay, or else I have just told you another way to solve this. Okay, the 4x is equal to 126, okay, by 42 into 80. So eliminate. Okay, simplify. Okay, while simplifying we are getting the answer as 240 hours. Okay, we have to simply eliminate by using the tables. Okay, I do not want to take a more time, so this is nothing but 240 hours. Okay, 240 hours is nothing but automatically 10 days per day, 24 hours, 240 hours, 10 days. Therefore time taken by watch to gain 2 minutes 6 seconds is equal to 24 hours or 10 days. Okay, let us solve it in another method. Okay, so I am going to solve this in another method, so the previous method. Okay, so let us solve it in another method. Okay, the first of all we have to convert. Okay, 3 days plus 8 hours is equal to 3 into 24 plus, okay, 8 hours. Okay, 3 into 24 is nothing but 72 plus 8, so automatically 80 hours, right? And convert everything in seconds. Okay, here it is given as 2 minutes 6 seconds, therefore 2 into 60 plus 6 seconds. So here this is equal to 120 plus 6 is nothing but 126. And also know that the watch gains 42 seconds in 80 hours. Therefore, we have to convert in 1 second. Okay, the watch gains 1 second in 80 by 42 hours, right? 80 by 42 hours. Okay, and also note that, okay, so this is nothing but a multiplicative method, but so in competitive exams this method and all very time taking. Okay, so we should not use this kind of methods. Okay, 26 hours, so this is equal to 240 hours, so simply 10 days. This is also one of the method. There are a lot of methods. One is proportional method and is multiplying method and arrow method. Arrow method is very easy method. Okay, so I am just using this arrow method for solving this question. So arrow method is very helpful. The concept here is, remember that concept. Okay, that is head of the arrow. Okay, head. Okay, head of arrow by tail of one is equal to head of other one b by tail. So this method is very easy method. Okay, so let us move on with another concept called indirect variation. Okay, what do you mean by indirect variation? See, increase in one quantity causes decrease in other, and decrease in one quantity automatically increases into the other. So that is nothing but a indirect variation. Let us see few examples related to this so that for better understanding. See, if the speed, greater speed, okay, the speed increases and the time taken will automatically decreases, right? One quantity changes with other quantity, opposite. Okay, opposite. Suppose it is increases, time is decreases. Okay, for example, less number of months are working, less number of months are working automatically. Okay, or else more number of days will taken, right? Less number of means more number of days will taken. So that is nothing but opposite. One decreases, other increases. Okay, let us solve a few questions related with this concept. Okay, so therefore a better understanding. Question number 1: 4 months can do a piece of work in 5 days. How many months will do it in 4 days? Okay, the simple, I am going to use the arrow method itself. Okay, I am going to write, okay, days here and a number of months here. Okay, in 5 days. Okay, 4 months working, right? 4 men can do a piece of work in 5 days. In how many days? How many days? Here x, right? How many days? How many months? Okay, how many months will do it in 4 days? Here given as 4. How many months? This is x. C. You have to identify whether it is a direct or indirect variation. Okay, number of days decreases. Automatically, number of months should be increases. Therefore, opposite. Therefore, this is nothing but indirect variation. I'm simply using, okay, the arrow head by tail, which is equal to head by tail. Okay, here the head is nothing but 4, tail is nothing but 5. Okay, don't get confused. I'm just simplifying. Therefore, cross multiply, x is equal to 5. Okay, simple concept. Therefore, 5 months. Okay, therefore 5 men will do the work. Okay, 5 men will do the work in 4 days. Okay, we'll do the works in 4 days. The answer will be 5. See, one more concept is here, but use arrow methods during the competitive exams, so we can save the time. So another method, I'm going to tell you the another method. Okay, for this one has to know the concept called if x months can do a piece of work. So this concept is very important. can do a piece of work in 5 days, can do a piece of 5 days, or some, let us take in some n days. Okay, then in 1 day, okay, always find out in 1 day the work will be, okay, the work will be done, okay, work will be done by x into n months, okay, x into n months. Okay, this is the concept here. Okay, by using the same concept, I am just solving this problem in 5 days. Okay, the work can be done by 4 months, right? The work is done by 4 months. Similarly, in 1 day, okay, the work will be done, okay, the work will be done by 4 into 5 months is nothing but a 20 month. Okay, the 4 days, in 4 days, so work will be done by 20 divided by 4, so this is nothing but a 5 months. Okay, this is also concept here, but so try to use this arrow method always. So this is very simple method, we do not have to use any kind of formulas and etc. Okay, so let us solve the another problem for the better understanding. Okay, I hope this problem is clear. With a speed of 60 km per hour, it takes 4 hours to cover certain distance. Okay, and what should be the speed with the same journey? Here the journey means the same distance. Okay, here the same distance is to be completed in 3 hours. Okay, in 3 hours. So here I am going to solve using the arrow method. Okay, the time and the speed. Okay, in 4 hours, okay, in 4 hours 60 kilometer. Okay, with a speed of 60 kilometer per hour, it takes 4 hours to complete. Okay, what should be the speed? So here x, right, speed, if the same journey is to complete in 3 hours. See here the time is reduced, automatically we have to increase the speed, so that is nothing but indirect variation, right? I'm going to use the simple concept called Harrow method, right? So here the head is nothing but 60, the tail is nothing but x, so this is equal to, here head is nothing but 3, tail is nothing but 4. I'm simply cross multiplying, therefore 3x is equal to 4 into 60 and x is equal to 4 into 60 divided by 3. Okay, simple concept here. So here I'm eliminating, I'm simplifying the 20. So this is equal to 4 into 20, 80 kilometer per hour. So he has to increase, okay, to reach the same distance in within the 3 hours. Okay, so this is the simple concept here. So let us move on with another problem. If 135 kg of corn feeds 45 horses for 8 days, okay, for how long will the same quantity of corn feeds 24 horses? Okay, so this concept we have to apply the same logic. I'm going to apply here by using the same Harrow method. Okay, the Harrow method is very simple method, right? The Harrow method is very simple method, so let us apply that method. Okay, solution here. Okay, Harrow method, number of horses, okay, number of horses, number of days. Well, kindly follow this. Okay, number of horses. Okay, so here for 45 horses, okay, number of days is 88. So here the quantity is same, right? So that is nothing but constant. Okay, that is constant. Okay, how long will the same quantity of corn feed 24 horses? How long? Okay, so here number of horses reduces, automatically number of days is increases. Okay, the simple logic I'm going to apply using the arrow method. The head is nothing but 8, tail is nothing but x. Here the head is nothing but 24, right? Head is nothing but 24, tail is nothing but 45. Or else simply cross multiply. Okay, the 8 into 45 is equal to 24x. Therefore, okay, so x is equal to, okay, x is equal to 8 into 45 by 24. So we have to simplify. Here 3's are, right? Here 3 into 15 times. Therefore x is equal to 15 days. So 15 days will be the answer for this question. Okay, so if you need any clarification, kindly just comment. Okay, I will try to clarify your doubts. Okay, here I am providing you 2 problems for your practice. So try to practice this 2 question and answer in the comment. Okay, also we will discuss these questions in the upcoming classes also. So with this, I am concluding this session. Thank you all. Have a good day.